Hi everybody, this is Helen Mathis coming to you, or Coco. I'm at a tax training forum, and it's a lot of information that's going on, and then I'm going to share that with you momentarily. Well, as the week progresses on, a lot of information, but I do want to point something out to you that I feel is very important. There's thousands of people here, thousands of CPAs, EAs, and so forth. They're here. So I do want to point out this, that if you receive a text or an email requesting that you fill out something relating to a tax return or some money that is being claimed that you owe, it's a scam. It's a scam. Don't fall for that. That's number one. Number two is a lot is being discussed. Changes are going on, and I will be sharing that with you. I do feel as though that although I'm going to have a paid tax training strategy class where I'll probably be introducing my book. My book will be available pre-sale. Get you that, especially you gig workers, which are 1099 NICs, miscellaneous, on how to properly deduct your expenses and what you can deduct. So that's that. And two, again, beware of scammers. Even I get scammed, saying that they want this information and that information. You want to do this, and this was just discussed. You want to check the email that is coming from. That's number one. Take a picture of it, snapshot it, report it, because they're phishing for your information, and there's a lot that's going on. There was a data breach of over, I kid you not, I read that before coming to the training today, and I did that because I received a text. No, it was an email that I received asking me various information. I'm like, wait a minute, who is this? Again, that particular company, their data files was breached. And so you're looking at, it was close to about 13.5 million people whose information is like out there in the dark web, right? Scary. So if you're getting miscellaneous texts or emails and people at surveys, don't do the surveys. No, don't do the surveys. Take a snapshot of it and report it as being scammed. Because how did they get your information? Think about that. Your information was breached. So that's number 3 topic. Number 4 topic is you're going to have someone to prepare your taxes, right? Check and see if they're legitimate. What do I mean by that? Are they certified to prepare your taxes? And this is across the board. You want to check and see if they're legally, if they have the education, if they're certified to prepare your taxes. Before you sign, ask questions. Ask a lot of questions, because I get a lot of clients because they come to me after the fact. So vital. I was doing a soft audit. I was going through their taxes, and I'm like, wait. This says self-prepared. And I said, did you file your tax? Did you do this? He said, no, I paid someone to do it. The person came to my house. I'm like, wait, the person came to your house? Okay, well, how come their information isn't here? Well, how much did you pay them? You paid them like $500. Okay, that's about fair, but that person's information wasn't on the file. It says self-prepared, so you're responsible for what's on this file, not anyone else. You're responsible. That's That's number one. Because whoever signs that document, their name is in there, you're responsible for what's on there. So you want to take a good look at that. And I was just talking to, actually I was talking to a CPA, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you people know about Larry Gray. He's always on YouTube, whatnot. I just was talking to him. He was, one of the trainers here. And one of the subject was that another tax preparer question was, she deals with a CPA. Well, first of all, make sure that they're certified. Make sure they're a CPA. Don't just take the word for it, because a lot of times they have CPA, but they're not a CPA. They just tell you that, and you're not going to question because they said that. So do your research first. That's number 5. Okay, anyway, that was a huge thing. You want to make sure that they're certified and they are who they say they are. Number 6, this one individual company worked with a CPA, and the CPA basically handles their books and whatnot, bookkeeping, excuse me, and they want their clients' stuff to be zeroed out, so they're not responsible for any taxes, paying any taxes. Well, there's a way to do that, and there's a way not to do that. First thing is, you want to make sure that they're CPA, certified public accountant. That's number 1. Number 2, you as being the tax preparer, question, like, why is that? So the CPA told this individual, well, because that's the way I want it, that's what the client is, and this is a high profile client. I'm like, what the? No. Because you're responsible. You're putting your name on that tax document. You're responsible. So question. Because that can lead to not only fines, but also jail time. So check it out. There's a lot that I'm learning, and I thought I'd do a lot, but things change. Just like computer and technology change every 3 months, so does the tax industry. So I'm getting a lot of stories and so forth, and I'm sharing what I'm learning with you. And I will, subscribe, follow me, because I will be sharing with you a lot of information. And yes, I'm going to have a paid training session, especially for my my young entrepreneurs, period. If you have a business, even if you don't have a business, the paid training is available. So that means you have to pay me to attend the training, and it's going to be online. One is going to be online, and one is going to be face to face. That's that. But I will be offering some information on this channel, my channel, because you just should know. You have to know what's going on, because there's a lot of audits that's going down that you need to be aware of, and interview your tax preparer, interview your bookkeeper, interview your CPA. Like, it's your company. You are an individual filing your taxes. You're hiring someone to prepare them. Interview them. You're your job, right? For your small businesses, your entrepreneurs, the same thing. Interview them like you're getting ready to hire them, and basically you are. So that's what I want to share with you. Again, you can follow me. Subscribe to my TikTok channel, Instagram, and my YouTube channel as well. So just follow me to stay up on what's going on, to stay well versed. Okay? Take care. Again, I want to show you my bag here. So, you see that? Yeah. I'm legit. I pay a lot of money for my software. And oh my God, data breach. I'll be sharing that information with you too. I found out a lot of information. Oh my goodness. It's a lot that's going on that we just don't know about.